Solve this system by elimination. We want the x terms to cancel when we add the equations. The x coefficients are 2 and 3. Their least common multiple is 6. Use -3 on row 1 and 2 on row 2. That gives -6x and positive 6x. Multiply every term in the first equation by -3. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by 2. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 2y, and the right sides combine to 4. Divide both sides by 2. That leaves y equals 2. Use y equals 2 in the first original equation. Replace y with 2. The remaining x term equals 20. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 10. The solution is x equals 10 and y equals 2. It makes both original equations true.